Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuuming mop. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that our robot has been paired to the app. Then we're going to select our robot in the app and click on Enter the Device homepage. Then we're going to click on the gear icon on the top right, then click on General, and here we have the Do Not Disturb option. So you want to enable or disable that. You also have options to select what times the Do Not Disturb mode is going to be enabled. So from 22 to 8 AM, something like that. You can select your own options, but what basically Do Not Disturb does is it disables like the voice of the robot, so it's not going to start like talking and indicating that the device has finished cleaning or something like that. And it will turn off any like lights that are on the robot. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.